How to delete photos and videos from Telegram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can delete photos and videos from Telegram, so make sure to watch this video till the end. If you want to delete photos and videos on Telegram, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch a Telegram application. If you happen to delete or maybe download a specific photo or video and now you want to delete it, it's very simple. Just tap the search button that you can find from the very top right hand side, and here you'll find this option called downloads. You just want to go to downloads. When you go to downloads, you'll be able to find all the media that you've downloaded. You can just tap on the media that you want to delete and then delete them accordingly. Another thing that you can do is tap the three lines option here and then go to settings. When you go to settings over here, you'll find data and storage. Make sure you tap on data and storage, and as you've done that, scroll down to the bottom, select delete all cloud drafts option, tap on the delete button in order to delete them respectively. The other thing you can also do is just a bonus tip. Just go ahead and open up your file manager application, go to the download folder. Inside download folder, you'll also be able to find the Telegram folder as well. You can go to that Telegram folder and then you'll be able to go ahead and remove all those respectively. That's all it takes to go ahead and then delete Telegram photos and videos. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.